Your wife got arrested for spraying a worker in the face with chemicals. So now that worker has to go out in town to an eye doctor to make sure she's not going to be blind. She sprayed toilet cleaner in her face last night after 1 o'clock in the morning.
On October 4th, 2024, Key West police boarded the Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady to investigate a battery. An intoxicated passenger had sprayed a crew member in the face with toilet bowl cleaner. The victim needed emergency eye care. The ship is foreign flagged, but it was docked in Key West under 18 U.S.C. Section 7, crimes aboard vessels in American ports fall under state jurisdiction. Key West PD had full authority to investigate and arrest.
Good morning. Good morning. I'm Officer Roscoe of the Key West Police Department. What's your first name?
Karen.
Karen, take a seat.
My name is Devin, Civil Services Director on board.
Okay.
And also this is Andras, General Manager.
So, do you know why you're here?
No.
Okay. So, apparently, before we go any further, you're not under arrest. I'm just going to ask you, so you're on board. You're not free to leave right this minute. So, before I can ask you any questions or anything like that, I have to read you your rights. Okay? Like I said, you're not under arrest. You're just not free to leave. So, okay. Can't talk today. Before we ask you any questions, you have to understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer before we ask you any questions. You have the right to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before any questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer any questions without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. Do you understand each of these rights as I've explained to you?
Yes.
Okay, with these rights in mind, do you wish to speak with me? Okay.
Do you need them for anything else?
No. No. So, apparently there was an incident on board this about midnight, 1 o'clock this morning that you might have witnessed or been involved with.
Where in the last night in the nightclub?
Was that?
Where?
What's that?
So, in the public areas,
In the public.
yes.
I don't understand.
Last night a crew member got sprayed in the face with a cleaning chemical.
Oh.
And we were told that you might have
Yeah, I
been a
was
witness
there. I
to
was
it.
there. But,
Can you tell me what you saw?
Yes, I was with my friends. She was a little bit drunk.
Okay.
Is that real? She was drunk, and she was getting the spray, and she do choo choo to the air, but not to no one in the face.
She did. So you didn't see her
No,
spray
she
someone.
didn't do no like this. No.
Did she spray it in the direction,
No.
just straight up in the air?
Yeah, and she was a little drunk. She put it back, and I say no, and she put it back. But it wasn't like she wanted to do or hurt someone or nothing.
Was
like
there
that.
anyone there besides that got sprayed, that you saw get sprayed?
Me and Soila was there.
No. Did you see anyone get sprayed with the chemical?
No,
No, not at all.
no. The
Okay.
lady was walking, but
How far away would you say she was?
maybe when he is.
And it did not touch her?
Well, I don't see that she do it like just straight to her
Okay.
head.
So the way I'll explain it to you is this
Oh,
cruise
we
ship.
didn't know that.
Hang on. So the cruise ship has better cameras and everything than a casino.
Okay.
Okay. So you saying you saw her spray the chemical up in the air, but it didn't spray anyone.
Well, I didn't see that she was doing. It was dark in the night. It was outside of the restroom in the second floor, right? What we talk. Yeah, she get spray on the air.
So why did she do that?
She was drunk. I don't know why. She was drunk. Like a game. Like she was getting that to.
Was there something that happened prior to that where
No.
where somebody used the bottle to try to clean the bottom of their feet or something like that, or clean something off their legs?
Oh no.
No.
I don't know. No. I don't.
Who were you with? Who was with you?
There in that moment or in
Yeah.
the nightclub?
Well, in that moment, that incident.
It was me, Soila, Anna.
Anna, Anita, Anna,
Anna.
Anna. Okay. Does she go by Anita?
Anita.
She's the one that sprayed the bottle, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you have your driver's license or ID on you?
No.
Okay. Do you have a Florida driver's license? Okay.
Officer Roscoe read Miranda to witness Karen, who was told she was not under arrest but not free to leave. That is an investigative detention under Terry versus Ohio, and Miranda was correctly triggered. Karen claimed her friend sprayed the chemical in the air, not at anyone. The officer countered, "This ship has better cameras than a casino." That was tactical signaling. Physical evidence would override her account. The charging decision turns on one statute. Under Section 784.03, simple battery is a misdemeanor 1-year max. Under Section 784.045, battery with a deadly weapon is aggravated battery, a second-degree felony, 15 years. Section 790.001 explicitly lists chemical weapon or device as a deadly weapon. Toilet bowl cleaner sprayed into someone's eyes qualifies. The difference between a misdemeanor and 15 years is the classification of that bottle. The suspect claimed she did not do it, then admitted she was too drunk to remember. The officer nailed the contradiction. You cannot deny an act you have no memory of. The prosecution will use both statements. Voluntary intoxication is not a defense under Florida law. It can challenge specific intent for aggravated battery, but it cannot erase simple battery, which requires only general intent. Either way, she is exposed.
I guess someone's going to go up and get her ID and we'll have to grab it for Roscoe. That's about it.
Is she the only one in the room?
No, someone else is there. So they're going to go up and get it.
Well, you're saying you didn't do it, but then you say you're so drunk. You were so drunk you don't remember. So,
And Anna, you still smell the booze.
yeah, I can literally smell the alcohol.
Too much to drink, my man. My girl, whatever.
It's fine? It's fine, okay.
They know.
Okay, copy.
Enjoy the cruise, folks.
Hang out here to get
Yeah,
the ID.
if you guys want to bring some her ID to him.
Yes, we will.
That way it goes to
Do
the jail.
you know the other? What do we do with the other people? They're okay to go out?
Whatever you got to do.
Yes.
Yeah, we're done with the investigation. We're already
Yeah.
done, and she's
No, with the other
With the other
witness-
people?
The witnesses.
Johnny got all the information, I'm going to guess. So yeah, they're good to enjoy the rest of the day.
Her ID.
They just need her ID for the jail
told them
people.
they could-
After arresting the suspect, one of the officers returns to the ship to speak with the suspect's husband in order to obtain the suspect's ID card. The husband is trying to decide if he is going to stay on the ship or stay in Key West to bail his wife out of jail.
We had an escalated case which is reported to us, and as it's highly escalated, we needed to... Highly escalated? Yes, highly escalated. So we needed to call local authorities, and according to that we proceeded with...
Your wife got arrested for spraying a worker in the face with chemicals. So now that worker has to go out in town to an eye doctor to make sure she's not going to be blind. She sprayed toilet cleaner in her face last night after 1 o'clock in the morning. She's on her way to the jail right now. I would like to get her actual physical ID, which will help her get out of jail tomorrow. So if she has it in the room, because I don't think she had it on her.
The passport.
Does she have an ID card?
I think I got one.
Okay.
In my,
Where are you guys from?
Miami.
Miami? So she's got a Florida ID card or
Yeah.
driver's license?
Yeah.
Okay. It's easier for her to get through the process at the jail if we have that physical ID card. So if you could run and go grab that.
Yeah.
She'll have to see the judge in the morning, and she'll have to bond out, and she'll have to do all that. I don't know if you're staying on the ship, if you're getting off the ship. I don't know. I'm just telling you, basically, last night at like 1:30ish in the morning, I don't know if she meant to or not. She literally sprayed somebody in the face with toilet bowl cleaner. And she's having to go to an eye doctor now. So she got arrested for it.
Oh my God.
Did she talk to you about that?
No,
She didn't explain you?
I didn't know.
Yeah, that's why we're here.
So, on Virgin Voyages, we safety and security is part of sales, but also for the crew as well. This is something which impacted heavily on crew member.
Mm-hmm.
You
Crew member is in the hospital now.
There's a video. There's a video. We can
Remember,
see
it has to do
There's a video of the crew member doing this after getting sprayed, and your wife is.
it. Was it straight in the face or
Yeah.
in the nightclub?
We cannot show you the details because it's security related. Everything will be handed over to police. So.
Yeah.
It wasn't intentional.
Well,
I'm sure that.
I need to get that ID so I can get her
Yeah.
processed in and out.
We'll be here for that.
We'll be here.
So what I have to do now is going to.
You're gonna have to. She's gonna get bonded out tomorrow at the jail. She's gonna have to see the judge first, and then she's gonna have to post bond, and then she'll get out. So I don't know if
stay
you.
overnight in the jail.
That's your wife. I'd stay here if I was in your shoes, because somebody's got to come get her from the jail. So if you could go grab me that ID, please, and thank you. I'll be right here.
Thank you.
Grades. Officer Roscoe receives a B+ proper Miranda, clean arrest, professional follow-up with the husband. Minor deduction for confronting an intoxicated suspect whose waiver could be challenged. The suspect receives a D. Chemical spray to the face is criminal regardless of intent. The crew member faced possible blindness. Only the ambiguity between reckless and deliberate prevents an F. Karen receives a B- cooperative, but transparently minimizing. Ship security receives an A- textbook response, though an intoxicated passenger should never have had access to cleaning chemicals in a nightclub. 3 takeaways. First, chemical spray is not a prank. Under Florida law, it is a deadly weapon. A drunken moment with a cleaning bottle can carry 15 years. Second, cruise ships docked in U.S. ports are not legal gray zones. Local police have full jurisdiction, and ship cameras give prosecutors better evidence than most street crimes. Third, too drunk to remember is the worst defense available. It admits intoxication, eliminates your version of events, and hands the prosecution an open narrative. If you cannot explain what happened, they will. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.